and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got this Scholl Nano-Glass Foot File. So I got this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Came in this nice box. Just opened it up. So let's have a look. And here it is. Comes in great packaging. QR code to scan for more instructions. So the reason I got this is because I was sick of using the pumice stone type ones. I wanted something a bit more premium. So this has got an ergonomic handle. And then this is the file. So it's made of, it's this nano glass technology they call it. So it's laser etched and it files in multiple directions to get the smooth skin. So they recommend that you soak your foot in water and then use the file, wash off the skin and moisturise. It's much more premium product. You'll be thankful that I'm not going to use it on camera for you, but I'm just going to give it a go now and let you know the feedback. So I've just given it a go. Really comfortable to use. Handle's great for getting the right direction. And then it leaves a bit of a film of skin on the top, so you just give it a rinse. Tap it dry. You can't really rub it because it'll scratch because of the abrasive surface. But really good for £10. Excellent buy. So I would recommend getting one of these. So it's the Scholl Nano-Glass Foot File. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check us out on our other social media channels. You've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Alright, thanks very much guys. See you later.